Welcome back. So I hope that you've enjoyed this lesson, and I hope that you have learned a little bit about how art and activism can come together. So we used art to design our letters and to craft a message that has a big impact on other people. So here's my shirt. And the last step is to take a picture of yourself wearing your shirt, hashtag I run with Maud, and post it on social media. Let me know if you participate in that, and make sure to send me a copy of it. All right, so I put my t-shirt on, and this is what it looks like. I run with Maud. Nice job, everybody. Until next time, remember, use your brain, use your ideas, and create a beautiful day. Bye.